How to edit Slider Revolution. Slider Revolution is a powerful tool for creating stunning visuals on your website, but many users don't know how to properly edit its features. In this tutorial, we'll take you step by step through the editing process. To start, go to your WordPress dashboard and find the Slider Revolution plugin. Once inside, you'll see a list of your current sliders. Select the one you want to modify. The visual editor will open, giving you access to each layer on your slide. You can click any layer to adjust its position, size, animation, or style. Use the timeline below to control when layers appear and disappear. You can add new layers like text, images, buttons, or even videos with just a few clicks. Now, before we go further, if you haven't already started with Slider Revolution, you can join it for free using the special link provided in the video description. This will help you unlock a lot more design options. Continue adjusting your design until it looks exactly how you want. Don't forget to check the preview on different screen sizes: mobile, tablet, and desktop. Once done, hit save and you're good to go. Editing in Slider Revolution becomes second nature once you understand the layout. Again, for full access to templates, animations, and more, join Slider Revolution for free from the link in the description below.